Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you get the depth module to go down to 450 meters inside of the Tadpole in Subnautica 2. So I'm like, I don't know, 1300 meters-ish from the life pod directly to the east. I am above the research station, the far research station, also labeled the alien ruins by the in-game story. And from here, to get this module, we're going to head down to 165 on the compass, and we're going to head almost straight down at an angle. And as we get down here, we're going to head towards this big tall monolith here, this little rocky spire, and crash landed in here is the hull chassis version of the Tadpole, and in front of it, in a hole, is going to be what we're looking for. So we're just going to avoid these creatures. They're kind of mean. What we are looking for is, right before we get down to 250, is this particular hole. And we're going to go in down here, and we're just going to go manually down inside of here, and we're going to look for a red glow. And there it is. Here is the ship, just around the corner of that pillar. And we can go ahead and go down here and click on this box here in order to get the hull upgrade. Then we can promptly get out of here before the critters down here decide to eat us. Because they shoot spines at us, and I'm not a fan of having spines in my backside. So yeah, that's where you get the depth module upgrade for the Tadpole in Subnautica 2. It's not too hard to get. It's actually relatively close to this research outpost over here to the east of the life pod. And yeah, I hope that's helpful. It'll help you get pretty much everything else in this area once you be able to build it. I've been your host Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye everybody, and have a good one.